The DJI Pocket series cameras have won our hearts, especially with the impressive DJI Pocket 2 release in 2021, which flaunted upgrades like a larger sensor and a broader field of view. Yet, navigating these tiny wonders proved to be a tad challenging, mainly due to their itty-bitty built-in displays. Enter the successor addressing this pint-sized predicament head-on with a new swiveling screen. It not only showcases a beefed-up 1-inch sensor but also flexes upgraded frame rates, tracking prowess, and recording formats. Now, with smartphone cameras flaunting larger sensors and electronic image stabilization hitting new heights, does DJI's mini gimbal camera still stand out as much as it used to? That's what we set out to discover. Did you know that 72% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together. Unboxing the Osmo Pocket 3, the initial impression is its size, a departure from the original's compactness. It's still a portable filming solution, but now it demands more than just your average pocket space. However, this larger build translates into a more comfortable grip, particularly when you attach the included handle or tripod adapter. So while it may not fit snugly in your pocket like its predecessor, the trade-off brings a more ergonomic and natural feel when in hand. A notable shift we observed is DJI moving away from the concept of tethering the Pocket 3 to your phone. You see, in the past, both the preceding Pocket camera models featured tiny USB-C or Lightning dongles for connecting the camera to your phone. This setup turned your phone into a larger viewfinder and a control hub for settings. While it was a thoughtful concept, we seldom engaged with it, preferring wireless camera control through the app, an option available since the beginning. DJI's Pocket 3 ditches the phone attachment with its swiveling 16:9 display, eliminating the need for a tiny touchscreen. The upgraded display offers both portrait and landscape modes, making recording a breeze. A game changer is the added joystick beneath the screen, granting seamless control over the gimbal's motion. Gone are the days of awkward modular additions. The revamped joystick is not only more substantial but also a joy to handle. DJI's Pocket 3 is a user-friendly powerhouse, combining a dreamy touchscreen experience with intuitive gimbal control. The Pocket 3's joystick lacks pressure sensitivity, limiting panning speed customization. Now, adjusting the speed requires diving into settings, which is a minor hassle. The camera retains the absent built-in mount but includes a 1/4x20 tripod thread adapter in the box. Attaching securely with two latches, it resembles the Osmo Action's 4 magnetic system. While covering the USB-C port, a pass-through port ensures uninterrupted power and file transfer without having to worry about detachment. Despite minor gripes, DJI's got your back for versatility and convenience, making the Pocket 3 a reliable choice. Another addition to the mix is the wide-angle adapter, magnetically latching onto the Pocket 3's lens to widen your frame. While it does have its practical applications, I was anticipating a more substantial increase in the field of view because it's akin to a step or two backwards in terms of fitting more into the shot. And additionally, it introduces a touch of barrel distortion when attached, which may be a preference-based feature. Wrapping up the ensemble is a mini tripod, essentially a scaled-down version of the one accompanying the DJI Osmo Mobile 6. It's handy, specifically considering the Pocket 3's challenge to stand on its own. However, for more flexibility, a proper tripod with a ball head might still be your better bet. Everything neatly fits into a snug soft shell travel case with thoughtful segmentation and elastic stash pockets for NDs and filters if you decide to expand your collection. In terms of shooting modes, the Osmo Pocket 3 echoes its predecessors, offering familiar options like panorama, photo, video, slow-mo, and time-lapse. A standard favorite, motion time-lapse, continues to shine among the Pocket series cameras. Notably, akin to the Osmo Action 4, there's no dedicated HDR video mode anymore. Instead, the camera promises maximum dynamic range in regular video recording, with optimal results achieved at 4K 30fps and below. Stepping into the spotlight is a new addition, the low-light video mode. This feature fine-tunes your settings to deliver the most visually appealing image in dimly lit environments. It's a valuable tool for enhancing your nighttime footage, especially for those who rely on automatic settings, which is the majority of users. The Osmo Pocket 3 elevates its tracking capabilities, as not only does it leverage DJI's recent strides in subject detection, but it also hands you more reins over framing your subject. We are practically enamored with the dynamic framing mode. It strategically places 6 focal points on the display, and you position your subject over the desired point, click the joystick to initiate tracking, and as your subject moves, the camera endeavors to keep them within the designated area of the frame. Following the rule of thirds has never felt so seamless. The DJI Pocket cameras have always tilted more towards videography than photography, and the inclination is even more pronounced in the Osmo Pocket 3. It caps its still image resolution at just 9.4 megapixel, which is a significant drop from the 64 megapixel capability of its predecessor. This strategic move aligns with the notion that smartphones excel in capturing stills, often delivering superior results. With the 4K frame hovering around 8.3 megapixel, the sensor sidesteps pixel binning during video capture, freeing up processing power for higher frame rates. Speaking of which, the Pocket 3 delivers on the video front. It now flaunts the ability to shoot slow motion footage at up to 4K 120 FPS without any crop, or at 240 FPS in 1080p, perfect for weaving cinematic B-roll into your vlogs. The footage captured by the Pocket 3 is undeniably impressive, sharply detailed, and benefits from the new 1-inch sensor that brings a delightful, shallower depth of field. This not only enhances subject background separation, but also improves performance in low light conditions, yielding a noticeably less grainy image compared to its predecessors. Stellar stabilization is par for the course in a camera boasting a built-in gimbal, and it admirably minimizes shakes and vibrations, though the usual gimbal limitations persist on the Z-axis. For cinematic tracking shots, mastering that ninja walk is still a requirement. Nevertheless, it represents a significant leap forward from the electronic image stabilization found in vlogging cameras like the Sony ZV-1 II. The built-in microphones contribute their fair share to the impressive package, as recording in stereo adds a pleasing spatial dimension and wind noise is reasonably subdued. Be mindful of your grip though, as inadvertently brushing your thumb against one of the side mics can introduce handling noise. This is easily mitigated with the extended grip installed, but can be more noticeable when using the camera standalone. In short, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 stands as a marked improvement over its forerunners in nearly every aspect. The expanded sensor enhances video quality, particularly in low-light scenarios, while the swift and dependable autofocus and excellent audio further contribute to its appeal. The user experience is significantly enhanced courtesy of the 2-inch swiveling touchscreen display. I mean, sure, it does come with a larger form factor and a higher price tag compared to its predecessors. However, when weighed against the competition, it remains a compelling choice for creators who prefer to be on the move. For content creators focused on YouTube or social media, the Osmo Pocket 3 offers more visually captivating shots compared to action cameras and is noticeably more user-friendly than alternatives like the Sony ZV-1 II. Now, beyond that, it brings features such as subject tracking and motion time-lapse capabilities, elements that typically demand separate gimbal hardware with other cameras.